If you're a safe driver looking to save money on car insurance, you might have heard of State Farm's Drive Safe and Save program. It's a usage-based discount program, meaning the safer you drive, the more you can save. You download the app or plug in a device, and it tracks things like hard braking, speeding, and time of day you drive. Great idea in theory, especially if you already have State Farm and know you're a good driver. But here's the catch. Not everyone saves money. Some people actually see their rates go up after signing up, especially if they do a lot of night driving or live in heavy traffic. Also, you have to share your driving habits, which some might find a bit invasive. So, should you use it? If you're a confident safe driver and don't mind sharing your data for a shot at lower rates, yes, definitely worth trying. But if you're unsure how you stack up or value privacy, you might want to skip it. Let me know if you use Drive Safe and Save. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews every week. See you next tutorial.